back to another video, guys. In this video I'm going to go through this here P00B7 engine coolant flow insufficient. Now we have many, so this is a Vauxhall Corsa. Before we start with anything, reality is the car does sometimes bring, in your case it may bring the engine management light, it may not, it may overheat, so you have to keep an eye on it. What we really need to watch out for, so you've got these two, P0117 as well, but it's this one that's triggered it, I guess. Now I'm not going to show you how to change it, there are other videos out there, but I'm going to show you where the location is, and you've got it right here, just here there. It's this component here. It's better to get onto it on the side, take the arch off and dig onto it from that side, take the air filter off, and work on it. But it would be a case of buying an OEM genuine part and take it from there. It's a plug and play. They do mess up, I'll be honest, so it would be a case of just replace it and do a full scan and clear, done, dusted really.